Hey everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. It's Sunday, May 15th, and this is viewer requests for the week of May 16th, 2011. Getting more and more requests every week. This week, 17 stocks to look at and a lot of repeats from last week. So the first one is Rim, and the song remains the same, as Robert Plant, I guess, would say, and Jimmy Page would play on his guitar. Still looking for this 4253 level to be tested after it broke and held below the 78.6% retracement. So that's going to be the first level I'm watching. And then, let's see, we will center price and look at the external retracements, 34.93 and 25.25. If it continues to go. Those would be the support levels. Okay, and once again, these are not watch list stocks. I only update them once a week. You guys send me the stocks during the week to my email. My contact info is at the beginning of the video, and I will put them in a list, and I don't do penny stocks. Getting a lot of penny stock requests. I'll look at them, but if they have no chart pattern, there's nothing I could do. So, if you have stocks, send them to me. Low priced are fine. If they're real low volume, thin ones, I'm not even going to look at them because they probably don't have a pattern. All right. Okay. GLD, the Gold Spider Trust. All right. Just kind of hanging around here, forming some sort of consolidation. I mean, I'm just kind of form fitting the candles, the trend line, sorry, here. But this looks like something you could watch for a break one way or the other on. While we're here, we might as well pop into silver. Okay. Silver looks definitely weaker than gold. Okay, a lot of people got cracked trying to get this late, that's for sure. Looks like it could be forming some sort of wedge here, but I don't see anything strong just yet, in my opinion. But, you know, this one's a volatile one, and it's certainly a lot less painful trading the ETF than the futures. The futures can move real quick and real dangerous. Here's Google. I put this on my blog. Looks like a bear flag. Looks like the bear flag has started to move. Looking at this low down here at 519 as a potential target. Baidu, okay, watch the 89 EMA at 129.56. Sorry about the creaking chair. And then below that, you have this balance area here at 125.40. That's Baidu. Amazon, yeah, just been nice and strong. This looks like a possible 3 drives to a top to me. 1, 2, 3. So, you know, it's still showing good relative strength, but on a pullback, if it breaks below the 10-day moving average, which it hasn't since, since the 19th of April, that's about a month. If it breaks that, watch for a retracement to this area or the 20 EMA. On the upside, you got 216 as a possible resistance level. Citigroup, okay, the reverse split and just sold off. Looking at 40, whole round number on this one. You could get the Fibonacci grid out and do this. And you see the 78.6% retracement. Whoops. 78.6% retracement comes in at... Come on, 39.52. 39.52 on this one. So that's one to watch. May get a reactive bounce here after the big push through the 200-day moving average. Goldman, weak, but had the hammer on Friday. So if the hammer holds, look for a retracement. You could see it's pretty stretched from the 10-day moving average, so maybe that wants to catch up. Could throw a fib grid up here. And you see it landed right at the 78.6% retracement. And I know charts don't matter. There'll be people giving big seminars saying that charts don't matter, but that's just amazing that it tagged the 78.6% retracement basically to the tick. So if that gives way, if this hammer gives way, I'm looking for a full retracement back down to those lows. Bank of America talked about the bear flag last week. It's starting to come out here. Looking for a retest of those lows. That would be the target. eBay, that's a new one on the list. eBay showing good relative strength. Okay, and you could probably throw your triangle on it around here. Look for a break one way or the other. The highs would be the target there. The 50-day would be the target if it broke down. Like I said, I don't have triggers on these. CMG. Okay, CMG is another one that has good relative strength. You can see here Friday it closed above the 78.6% retracement. So if it holds there, the target would be the highs. If it falls back, watch these moving averages to come under and cup as possible support. JEC. Yeah, JEC looks like it could be headed for the 200-day moving average, but you want to see it take out this 46 level first. If not, and it gets a double bottom, then of course it has to get above these highs at 48.68. Caterpillar wouldn't be a request list without my favorite Caterpillar request. Caterpillar's still acting relatively weak. Let's do an ABC pattern here. Okay, that's wave A. Wave B would be the bounce. And then if we do wave A equals wave C, you're looking at around 104.89 as possible support. And then you have 103.64 as the 89 EMA. So that would be potential support. That zone down there. Electronic Arts. And remember, potential being the key word. Okay, because that stock looks like it's being sold, Caterpillar, at least for now. That could change very quickly. Okay, Electronic Arts, just en fuego, 25 would be the next resistance. Stretched here, if it got a retracement, watch the moving averages, which will catch up quickly if it starts to fall. Okay, Yahoo. Yahoo's an interesting one. It tagged its 200-day and got a bounce. Let's see what it can do from here. Can it do a dead rat bounce up here? Maybe retrace 50% of this. And by the way, I know the correct term is dead cat, but I love kitty cats, so I use dead rat. Because who likes rats anyway? Okay, 1740 would be resistance. 50% of that swing down. KMT. Okay, KMT is in a nice little pattern, it looks like. Let's see. Yep, there it is. So watch this one. This one could get a push one way or the other. I may put this on the watch list. I don't know, but this was a nice one that was sent in. Average is about 930,000, 50-day average. That's volume, which isn't bad. So well, let's see what this one could do. But it's in a nice little coil here. And then finally, Ren. Woo, Ren. The super hyped Ren. Oh, the Facebook of China. Ooh. And you could see, oh, first day and then boom. And the super gurus who over-touted it, you never hear a word from them again about it. But here is a hammer. Now, I don't know if you can really count this high up here. I'm going to let that high go, and I'm going to use this high here, the second day high. And you could see that actually tested and held the 162% retracement. This may get a bounce here. Watch the 20 EMA, okay? And this one was one of the more popular requests. So watch this one and see if we can get a bounce here. But, be careful because it's been pretty weak. Okay, so that's it. Have a great week. I will talk to everybody again for viewer requests next week. But don't forget my other videos, Forex trading analysis, and the stock trading watch list for the week of May 16th. 2011.